If you want to go ahead and give an extra protection to the files, then you can utilize something called the Personal Vault in Terabox. So if you have the desktop version of Terabox installed, then you get access to Personal Vault right here, just like this. So let me just go around over here and click on Open Personal Vault and enter out a password. So I need to set a password, so I'm just going to set it out as something right here, just like this, 4-numbered password. Click on next and type in the password again and click on sign up. So once you go ahead and do that, you need to go ahead and enter out your password to open up the Personal Vault. So now around over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and add in the files. For example, I'm going to add in this and I'm going to add in this right here, just like this. I just dragged them in right here. And now what happens is that they will be uploaded out right here in the Personal Vault. So let's just go around over here and keep this in. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go around back right here onto share and then go back into Personal Vault, you can see that it's still there. So after a while, it'll be locked and you need to go ahead and enter out the password again if you want to go ahead and access it. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the Personal Vault inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.